Let me clean my hand. Whoa. Yeah, I forgot. There's no home button to it, bruh. Lighting is so freaking bad. Oh. Okay, that should be better now. So today I will be doing an iPhone unboxing video because, right here, ta-da! So literally I got a new phone because you didn't know my phone broke, and that's why I'm getting a new one for the first time forever. Yes, I've been using like my family old phones for literally years. Finally have my own. Oh shit. I got the iPhone 11 in one. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it now. I remember touching someone's iPhone and I didn't know how to use it. And I've been an Android user for years now, so it's not my fault. The phone that I use, it's not like my phone, it's like used phone from like my family members, and then I just use it, so I can never like take pictures and download apps because there's never enough space, because I edit my video through using the phone, so I can never have any space to do anything, so I have to like do nothing. Yeah, I look like a pumpkin. Oh my god, I look like a pumpkin. Anyway, I'm gonna open it now. Yeah, I'm excited. I also got this USB. It was like recommended to get it because it didn't come with it. So I was like, alright, another $20 spent. Okay, time to open it. Wow. Oh, that's cool. Let me clean my hand. Alright. Oh my god, so nice. Bro, come out. Whoa.
I can't believe my eyes.
Also, by the way, I'm not trying to brag throughout this video. I just want to do an unboxing because I love these type of videos. I love making videos, and also I'm out of YouTube videos ideas, so please let me post this. I'm not bragging or anything. No way I'm doing that. So this is the phone I use. It's like a Galaxy S7. It's not my phone. It's my sister's phone. It's also not my sister's phone. It's my grandma's phone. See, I tell you, it's like the phones are passed down to us, so it's all used. This case is barely hanging on, so we have tape here. And this is the old phone. It's all cracked. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a new word, y'all, or a new reaction word. No, that's it. Wait, it doesn't come with earbuds. Wait, I thought it comes with earbuds. Wait, it doesn't come with earbuds? Wait, should I keep it on? Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Wait, how do I turn it on? Wait, is this the on button? Hello. Konnichiwa, everyone. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be back because I just set up the phone and I don't know how to set up the phone. So I'll be back. I'm doing Face ID right now. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's no home button to it, bruh. I'm waiting for the phone to hurry up and load. I'm gonna open this thing. It's probably nothing special though, but I wanna open it carefully just so it won't break. Oh, it was that easy. Okay, I'm kind of disappointed though that it didn't come with an adapter and the headphone. I was expecting to have my very first iPhone headphone, but now it's sold separately. This is $20. Wow. Wow. But anyways, this is how it looks like. If anyone out there, anywho, is curious about it. Okay, y'all. Hi, guys. It's literally like the next day. It's been a while now since I filmed this part of the video because I got sick and then never got to finish filming. So now it's like 2.5 weeks later. And sorry for the quality because it's like dark now, so I'm using my light here. That's why it's so dark. I mean, the quality is so bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish the part of this video here. And yeah, okay, so I've been using my iPhone already, and I'm already used to it. Just that sometimes it's like hard to swipe out of an app because I'm like, okay, what the frick do I do? Cause like earlier I was on this app and I couldn't swipe up or like get out of the app. I was trying to swipe up because that's how you should do it, but then like it didn't work for me, so I'm just here like, okay, but can someone tell me why I look like that? Like, bro. If anyone's curious, here's my home screen. I have no idea. No, it's way too bright. It's way too bright. Oh, right here. It's just pink, baby pink home screen right here. It says, have faith that the universe is on your side and the stars are aligning for you. I love this home screen so much. I found it on Google, so yeah. And then you just swipe up. Oh shoot, I'm on Insta. I haven't got a case yet. It's been 2 weeks. I haven't got a case, but I did got a pop socket that I'll be putting on the case. It's this little cute one right here. It's I don't know what to call, but yeah, it's really cute. So I decided to get that, and then it's gonna be on my phone. But yeah, so that's basically it for today's video. For this video, I'm not trying to brag. I'm basically just making this video for fun, for my own content, just because I'm kind of running out of content ideas. So I just thought this video to film. There's no way I'm bragging. Like, seriously, why did you even think that in the first place? Anyway, so that's basically it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'm finally an iPhone user now. I see this post where it says something about Android users that won't change to an iPhone user, and I'm just here like, can I eat first? Does it look like I have? Yeah, anyways, that's it for today's video. Bye, and see you guys. Subscribe.